Hello, traders. Today is Friday, June 27th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, been very strong uptrend. Now, for me personally, I am definitely looking for only longs because the monthly is up, the weekly is up, and the daily time frame is up. Now, if we get a break to the downside on the 1 hour time frame, I'm going to be excited not to go short. I will not be sorting it. But I will definitely, as soon as I see a breaker starts it down, I'll throw my Fibonacci retracement on the last engulfing or the last impulsive move up. I'm sorry. Then I will wait patiently for three-way pullbacks to go long. I am definitely still only looking for longs in an uptrend. If we go all the way up to the daily time frame and zoom out a little bit, if this is really a wave one and this is really like an ABC of two, that means we could be in a wave three. And if this is a wave three, it will definitely continue trending up. So I am very bullish. All the higher time frames are telling me to continue to be bullish. Shorter time frames, I'm hoping that it goes down and breaks structure, not to go short, because if I see a breakdown, then I will throw my Fibonacci retracement on there, look for three waves down, look for a Fibonacci bounce, and look to go long again for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel. It's linked over here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.